If you're considering these mini boxwood, let me unpackage it and show you what you're gonna get. You get 5 bunches, each of them have 2 pieces in them, so you get 10 of these. And this is how they come when you first open them up, pretty clumped together. Let me show you close up. This is exactly how it came out of the packaging, so I haven't done anything to make it look nicer yet. But as you can see, each of the leaves has a little bit of metal in the stem, so you can move them and rotate them however you want, if you want to space it out or keep them more clumped. And I love how you have the darker green on the bottom and then it gets a little lighter, as if the plant is growing more fresh leaves right now. That definitely is a nice little contrast it has going there. And then it has a base that you can cut down if you want to make it whatever height you prefer. Now there is quite a variety of ways to use these. They can be used indoors or outdoors, either as a temporary or permanent decoration. They definitely can withstand elements. They're just simple plastic. And I love how easily malleable all the parts are, so you can really adapt it to whatever you want. You can also use these as greenery in an artificial bouquet. You're really only limited by your imagination. But I'm gonna try and make a quick little topiary with these. I'm tucking some styrofoam in here, and I'm just gonna use a chopstick to poke some holes. And then we're gonna stick these in, start shaping. Now I could keep playing with it, but in less than a couple minutes, it already looks like a great little green topiary that can sit in my home or out. I'll probably fill it up with dirt so you can't see the foam underneath, but that's really cute, and I still have 2 left. These are great.